So we're back in here at the shop doing another video. We're going to be dialing in this tap for this tool. And we have our Blake coaxial indicator. Still use the same configuration on this gang tool block, so hopefully we'll only have to adjust the Z-axes. So it looks like we got about a 30 spread, so we'll go to 25 and see how that does. We'll go ahead and go, let's try that. Okay, let's go ahead and go, let's try it. Oh, I definitely went too far on that one. Let's try it there. And it's just that easy! Alright, now let's go up into our tools. Let's do Z face. We'll do 0. Enter. Make sure we got our tap set up. And now we need to come over and set our direction. So this is a drill, so click on, or a tap, so we'll select that. Come back. Blessed. Glad this thing came together. And that's all she wrote for this one. On to the next one.